So anytime we come to your home, we do a 20-point inspection. A lot of times we go through that list and we don't find things, but sometimes we do, and those things are important to change out or lubricate. 20-point checklist is from top to bottom, back to front. Here are some of the things that we check. Rollers, cables, bottom brackets, intermediate hinges, side hinges, top roller carriers, bearings, springs, center bracket, vertical track, horizontal track, L brackets, cracks on sections, bottom seal, insulation, struts on the door, nose piece, hockey arm, gear and sprocket, belt or chain.